Just to start the fire a burning, and we're picking up chips in the evening, just to keep the fire a blazing. Set up a face and get your country style cooking, like your ackee, your saltfish, you want to your fried dumpling, you get your jerk chicken where it's finger skin, you get your roast yam, say with your saltfish, and that we used to help up the national dish. You can get your roast corn and get your boiled corn before you stop and eat a can of yarn or the yarn. As you don't drink a soup, me say your belly feel warm.
Well, I've been out here from 2003, July the 2nd. So that's about 14 years and a couple months now. I incorporated with my parents' business. I did jerk pork until I actually add other stuffs and so forth. So actually, I'm automatically the owner for the business now. I can serve jerk chicken, jerk pork, fish and roast breadfruit, soup, but right now, because the business is so slow, I just stick to jerk pork. And maybe I'm serving a jerk chicken and so forth. Not a large volume of food now because business is not really pushing for it to really sell. Like my chicken, I don't have skill into my chicken. I like honey into my chicken. So it's blended with onion and ginger and pimento and garlic in vinegar sauce, in vinegar. So you blend that. And you season your chicken and you put it. And the way I season my chicken, I can season my chicken like 10 minutes before I even put it on, and it's still well seasoned, well put together, and so forth. The jerk pork is the same thing. This is blended with pimento, ginger, pepper, and onions, skillet and thyme, and everything put together. But this jerk pork is done in the fire. It is seasoned and wrapped in the fire. And jerk, just like this automatically come out of the fire without it enter no water gets this pork. But then when it was washing off and so forth. So from the season wrap in the fire and it come out in this way and so forth. We do like the festival and the fried breadfruit, and this is the sweet potato. You put the sweet potato in seasoned water and so forth, so you can get that spice off and so forth. Well, today is a flat day. Cars are not rolling in. We always have cars on the outside driving past, but we're not able to have the customers that we have on a Friday and so forth. So it's a very poor day. What I would make like in a day in the previous, I'm actually making it like in a week to 2 weeks now. Regulars don't really come and stop as though you have the customers who travel on the highway, who you say have the money and would come and buy lunch or breakfast and so forth. The person maybe would travel. Because even when vehicle comes and stop over here, most of them they stop for the bathroom. It's them pull out a little snack because they carry them snack and so forth. Because everybody is being economicalized on their pockets. So this is actually the similar season you use on your pork and so forth. Only thing you don't put no powder season in this. You just use your ginger, your pimento and your pepper and so forth. But you had like a little bit of sugar and a little bit of ketchup with the vinegar, so it gives you that nice blend and so forth. Most of the time people come out here, they always want a bucket of the sauce because it really tastes good. There were certain elements from us that really create that negative thing towards the business and so forth. So it was about 2009 that we recognized that the business was really going down. And from the recession, it never come back up. This place can be recognized again, so that people can say, look here, face paint is going to be a stop again and so forth, because people take face paint complete and then again, not stopping and so forth. So that's one of the things. A relationship needs to develop with the outer persons, with the inner person, which is we, so we can able to get that business back on track. I'm Jeremy, and I operate the Rockwell Cooling Spot Drug Center that's located in Faithspring. Come to Faithspring, there's something here for you in Faithspring. The good food, the good service will still be in Faithspring when you get back here. Thank you.
You have come back a face spread again. I will not come better come here again. Remember the juice, they are again. The buffet, the aki, they are again. The roast them, they are again. In the style, we are going to it again. Tell them already, we are going to tell them again. Anyway.